I'm exhausted today.
Ha, get it? Exhausted? Hello. Good morning. Hopefully we are all doing well. John now has a floor. Look at that. And now he's going to be doing a few measurements and whatnot and getting ready to actually order the sides and the top. Making this thing motorhomey. That looks mad, seeing the cow with the back. She's going to be massive. That was a good time, well timed. And you did see that we did a pop top and a tailgate on mine. But that is that video. This video is not that. Let's go over and have a little look-and-see to the man, the myth, the mullet, Mr. John.
Come on, Eagle Eye.
What's the matter?
I don't know, I don't get how it does it.
The little black pins.
It just disappears. And it didn't even fall out. Vigorously, it was there.
How are we this morning, young sir? Did you have a nice weekend?
What weekend?
The one we didn't have. That one.
Yeah, it was brilliant. It was here all weekend and then more on the weekend. And when I left to go home and relax, I went and did stuff and that. Yeah.
You now have a motorhome floor. Ready for motorhome sides.
Yeah, we got a motorhome floor. I got an aerial as well. Oh, and all the old body's off now, so it's officially gone.
It is officially
Gone.
fresh.
And we did some more painting.
Times 2.
Yeah. I can't believe that for a while.
Nice colour. On your motorhome, not the floor, obviously. So, what's the plan of action for this morning? Can see that you're dismantling.
Well, Mr. Paul has prepared 2 new wings and a grill. And so he wants 2 wings, grill, bonnet. Just notice 2 CV gators, steam navigators, tailgate, and then what?
Ah, you probably have seen this van
Numerous times.
Yeah.
She won't be the help no more.
We're going to leave you to do that and contemplate motorhome and life.
Well, we got to wait for Big Pap to come home.
Big Papa John.
Then we got to unravel the old motorhome. Somewhere.
Oh, you're actually going to do that, are you?
Well, I want all the measurements.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we'll leave John to do that. He's going to, like you dismantle. There's his wings. Tailgate, which we've got over there. My job, which we will see, is this one, which we will see shortly. And last but certainly not least, hello Namo, how are we doing? Are we having fun?
No, they're great, my friend.
I think you deserve a camera today.
Yeah.
This is also the van that you have seen that Di's been working on. I'm really sorry, the videos are completely all over the place at the minute. Trying to get them all under control, but yeah, I was looking through the footage the other day. I've got a couple of videos lined up and yeah, I'm a bit confused. So if you cannot remember or you've not been following along, this van came in because it needed some welding, and the more we looked, the more it needed. It's had patches on the tubs, which have just been patched over the rust. Luckily enough, we did have a good van we could get parts off of, so 2 good tubs, the rear tailgate panel. The Namo has been already doing all this lot, and he's now making his way along here, and that is where we are at. If you have been following along, then well done, because you know what's happening more than I do. And I'm going to set 2 on the blue van. I think it needs brake lines, and something else, and a service. and then let's get on this bad boy. See you then.
Later.
Well, unfortunately, the camera died yesterday, so you didn't quite get to see everything that happened. But the van that you did see that I was working on, that had brake lines, which were an absolute pain in the arse. And then little service, MOT, that was done. But the van that you see Mr. Yanni working on, the green one, well, she now has new wings, new grille, bonnet, you can't see that, so it's too high up, and a boot. The other one is just by there. Caliper, carrier, and now, oops, can't see because of the light, there you go. And now, doing a copper brake line that goes up to there. This is what he be making now.
Steel brake line.
Sorry, steel brake line. While John is cutting that, we will come back and have a goosey. But this van came in, and she has been in a wee accident. If I can lean this over, there you go. Yeah, she'd roll down a hill and hit something. Plan is, make this thing not so broken. And the train might be able to bend that back out, but bumper's gone, unfortunately. And the pump that goes on the bottom, just down there, that is snapped off. Hence why it was losing all the water. The radiator is caved in as it actually is. Doesn't look like it's actually leaking water. Will be getting replaced though. Let's put a new one of these on here. Check everything else is okay. Do need to bend that rigger out. She's a wee bit bent also. Start putting it back together again. New front panel. See if we got a less bent bumper. I think the lights are still okay. So that is going to be keeping me entertained for a wee bit. And Mr. Namo. Morning, Namo.
Good morning, Carl.
So yeah. I spent many an hour taking this lot apart yesterday. But as you've seen from the panel, he's just took off with him. Getting it a bit more prepared. So I'm going to put this down, go in the pit, get a new front panel, play with that horn. Let's get to that done. So, let's get a new front panel on this. Hopefully you managed to catch that. But this did have a nice big lump in the middle and was all twisted and bent out of shape. And that one was also all twisted and bent out of shape. But a little bit of magic. We did try with a bit that we have made for when Dai's doing the riggers and what have you. He's got like a jig made up for that. That now fits perfect. So I need to tackle that horn, get that working again, and then I can start building all this lot back up again, and then hopefully the radiator will be here, and then that'll be done. So happy days. John's gone for an MOT with the green van that you've seen. In fact, he is back. He's just in the office a minute, and then he's working on this which we will show you. I might try and get a camera out for this one, because it's a 1.9 with a blown engine. So we have got a new head and whatnot for that. So John's going to get on that. But I'm going to get this thing built up a little bit more. So see you when this is a bit more done. There we go. So this is all back together. Bumpers all on and clips all where they need to be. Horn is also fitted. Brand new radiator. Happy days. Happy with that. Is full of coolant. I'll put this outside and just let it warm up and bleed itself out. Took a little bit longer because everything was obviously bent, but happy with that. And Mr. John is on this one. Well, you may remember this a week or so ago. This is a 1.9. And the head's gone. It came in for, there we go, dodgy power steering, and turns out it was firing on maybe 3 of the cylinders, because
Why not, man?
it broke. It did. So, brand new head from the mullet. Well done, Yanni.
One more talk and then she's talked down. I'd like to give her 5 minutes between talks.
And then more rebuilding.
Back on. This back on and this back on and that back on. Cam belt back on. And change the water pump. We'll do that once we know she runs.
Ta-da! So there we go. And no idea what he's been up to. Look at that.
Brand new.
Well done, Mama.
Done it again.
You-
Save the day.
You saved the day again. Well done. There we go. So I am going to get this thing to be warm and bled. She came in a broken van, left is a non-broken van, crash van. Right, let's get this lot moved and whatnot. And then figure something else out. So, right, put this down. Ta! Well, there we go. So, I think last time you seen, this thing was going for a test drive. And turns out the brakes are horrific. So, what we are going to do, by we, I mean me, is I'm going to change that vacuum pump. But, I don't know how well you can see that up there. That is one of the mounting bolts. Now, I have already undone it. It is a pain in the ass to get to. We do have really, really shallow sockets and a spanner. Just to crack that off. And then do the one on the top. So I'm going to tackle this. Get that vacuum pump. I would film it, but you genuinely are not going to see anything. So there's no point. Do that. Do need to turn the engine over because it's got a little cam, well, a pin that rides on the cam. So if you turn it, it makes it easy to get it in and out. So I'm going to do that. Like I said, I'm not going to film any of it because there is absolutely zero chance I'm going to be able to show you anything. Try that. Hopefully it's that that's causing the problem. Try that. If not, new servo. Right, anyway, let's get this off. Show you when it's off. Well, there's that done. Excuse the head torch. But managed to get that bad boy out. And I've given it a wee bit of a clean. Now that is a pin I was saying about that. Goes, oh sorry, up in there like that, but it likes to fall out, so make sure you keep that safe. time for the new one. So a little bit of sealant on that, push that into the, make sure it's about there, do the bolts up, happy days. But before I put this down, Mr. Yanni.
I'm exhausted today.
Ha, get it? Exhausted. Oh, Mr. Yanni has done stuff up there, and I don't know what, because I haven't been here. What have you done?
Just put the return for the oil feed, but forget, and all the oil goes up the floor. Exhaust now with another clamp. Probably dump the oil in the filter now it's up in the air. And then yeah, double check that pump's all right. Diesel pump. Spin the engine to TDC and belt. Put all that back together.
Oh, done, Mr. Yanni. There we go. So there is update done. I'm going to get this vac pump put back in. When it's in, I will show you. Hopefully John hasn't lost his arm by then. To the moat.